Buklak ka.
Patrolling lang, patrolling.
Enemy spotted. 400 meters. Enemy spotted. Bravo team. Move. Move.
Move, 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 move.
Gulong. Gamitin nyo ng gulong nyo. Yan, gulong. Gulong. Yan. Okay. Still, enough.
Nope.
Still enough. Okay, bang.
Fire!
Okay, forward. Alignment. Alignment. Control alignment.
One line, one line.
Last man. Ceasefire. Last man. Anyway.
Sige, sigaw. Last man. Sandali, wala pa. Dapat nagsabi ng hallway. Wala pa. Hindi pa, wala pa sila nakalagpas. Wala pa sila nakalagpas.
Okay.
Last man, hallway. Hallway. Move. Circle. 360. Dito, Sherry, dyan. Dapat dyan lang. Dito lang, dapat nakalingin. Ikot. Sige, Sarge. Dyan ka, Sarge.
Check mo yung mga bata mo, sir. Check mo kung okay lahat ng trupa mo. Apat lang yung trupa mo, sir, ha? Apat lang. Yeah, I'm okay. I'm fine. I'm good. I'm so far good. Oh, natay wounded.
Dili na.
Wala pa muna.
Tanggo na.
Sarge, balik ka muna doon, Sarge. Balik ka muna. Search team, search na. Dalawa kayo. Ibigay mo yung baril mo muna sa kanya. Sakyan mo. Layo ka.
Layo.
Yan, lumayo ka. Kung saan siya magbigay, doon ka bibira. Okay. Ayun na, ay nagliyok. Kay wounded na. Lihok. Na, unang baril. Anak. Oh, balik. Balik na, Sarge. Yan. Balik na, kuha na. Okay. Report ka, Sarge.
Kuha ng pagi. Okay, ito na bala. Okay, kuha na yung... Okay.
Okay. Prepare to withdraw 6 o'clock. Everybody, taas. Angat.
Pag sinabi ni team leader withdraw sa kayo, sigaw kayo ng withdraw.
Bitaw, verify ba?
Okay. Ang sabi doon, prepare to withdraw, di ba? Yes. Unahin muna yung wounded natin. Alis doon, papunta doon sa...
Nasa Bravo ang wounded, nasa Bravo.
Ina!
Dara ang wounded.
Yung wounded, dalhin mo doon kasi magbibilang na tayo.
Enemy mo na siya.
Alpa yan.
Assuming na yan, Sarge. Assuming ba?
Sige na. Showing lang.
Doon kayo doon sa road.
4-5 man kayo, magpa kayo ng wounded sa inyo isa.
Yan, doon, dumana kayo doon. Okay, Withdraw.
Verify, withdraw din. Sabi.
Ba't ikaw kayo ng withdraw din?
Sherry, dyan ka lang. Itap ka pa.
Dito ka
Ikot
magdadala.
kayo ha, ikot.
Sunod ka sa kanya.
Itap mo yun itap mo si Grande, itap mo si Grande. Then move, Grande, itap mo rin sa Birana, itap mo si Birana. Oh, Birana, itap mo yun. Dagan dyan. Oh, Birana, dagan na. Oh, itap mo yun, sir. Tap. Itap mo muna yan, tap. Yan, oh, okay.
Ulit. Dito kayo 316 eh. Alam mag-sit na. One direction lang taba. Ang Alpha, withdraw. Mabilin man ang Bravo, di ba? Kaya security pa man. Ang Alpha, may mo.
Okay, pag sigaw ko na, repair to withdraw. Everybody, titane. Oh, gawin natin yung pinag-aralan natin.
Sir, doon ka na sir.
Doon ka na, sir. Pinakadulo, sir.
Sigaw na prepare to withdraw 6 o'clock.
Okay, naka-prepare to withdraw na tayo.
Withdraw din kayo ha. Verify.
Withdraw.
Sergeant, Sarge, you move here.
O dito.
Ating paban.
Move, ganyan.
Yan. Ikot ka rin.
Ikot na.
Takes up too much time.
Ah,
I think it
okay,
does,
sir.
right? Because you already got him, the platoon leader, counting.
What's next sir?
Next is you either take all the closest team, right? Who was the closest team? So the PL was there, Bravo team.
Yes, sir.
So maybe all Bravo team can. The next all Alpha team. You already got accountability. They should know to always go to the platoon leader. You count in at the platoon leader. Yeah, that way, right? Or that's one way to do it. Or you start the other way. Instead of you tap him, tap the John. Okay, go. Now you tap him. Tap me. That's what you were doing, right?
Yes, sir.
Instead of that, maybe, let's go. And then you take the next guy. Let's try again. Right? So I'm going. Let's go. We're moving out. You go. You get him. We're moving out. And you get the next guy to the
okay.
file.
It is the open
But
turn, right?
flat. Here. If it's feasible. But for me, what I would do, my platoon leader is already there. He's counting the guys. So I'm going to send the nearest team first. I send my wounded first. My wounded go first. And then I send my team that's next to nearby.
Check.
Which will be, in that case, Bravo team. Right? And then Alpha team. If that makes sense. There's a lot of ways to do things. If that's your technique, to make sure that you touch everybody and they touch the next guy, that's okay. But for me, because I already got someone counting, I'll do that. Alpha team go.
Time lang mo. Kahit 30 seconds. Kahit 30 seconds.
May I see? Ah, you did it good. Wala pa gani. Sige daw. Let's see.
Dapat. Balik.
Ah,
Balik di ay.
good.
Tama kay layo ang ako man.
30K.
Dapat diri siya.
Tawag dyan is 30K. Okay, twist it to
4.
anak na tayo din lock. Yeah.
Mailani mo kay magano daw ni
Magnam.
magnam tapos check. Pag wala, okay, after
Okay.
2 hours.
2 hours.
Diba 2 hours siya pwede na sa body.
Okay. Okay, bye. Ito namin dito.
Bye!
The rope identifies the team leader. Alpha team leader, Bravo team leader, squad leader. These guys automatic. They get down. Everybody automatic get down. Automatic. These guys go up. Because contact's front, right? So automatic. Boom, get a line. Squad leader, you call your 3Ds. 3Ds is what we call distance, direction, and description. Enemy, troop in the open, 200 meters. Distance, direction, and description, right? Enemy, 200 meters, troop in the open. Squad leader is going to come up. He's going to go to the Alpha team leader and determine, okay, I see the enemy. Can I assault? Can I flank? Or should I break contact? That's why he comes here, so he can make that determination. The determination now is, I want to flank. So now he's looking, do I flank left or do I flank right? In this case, I'm not going to flank right because it's open field. I'm going to flank left so I can use the aircon as my cover. Okay? So he tells them, I'm going to take Bravo team and I'm going to assault and flank to the left. Comes back. Bravo team, follow me. We're going to flank to the left. You ready? Let's go. Yeah. Yeah. Why do you think squad leader is here? He's here so he has control of both sides. His Bravo team and his Alpha team, he's closest. If he's over there, he's going to lose control of that team. Even though it's going to be like 300 meters, it's still his closest. So we get here. Who has the whistle? Whistle. Loud whistle, right? So that's the indication that Bravo team is ready to assault through. That's their indication to shift and lift. Right now they're bam, 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 bam. They hear the whistle, they lift and shift. The reason for that is the ammunition can still keep the enemy's head down. Squad leader says, let's go, assault through. Very important. Squad leader, they're coming up slow and smooth when they stay in line. Last man, there should be another indicator for a whistle. Whistle or pop smoke for what? I heard it. Ceasefire. Right? Because if we don't give these guys an indication to cease fire, they're going to shoot us. Okay? Whistle again. Longer. Long.
Taas.
There you go. On the long whistle means to cease fire. That will be our own internal tactic. On the long whistle means cease fire. Go one more time. Everybody there, they're gonna echo cease fire, cease fire, cease fire. So as I'm coming up, last man, last man, last man. That guy will be saying last man, last man. The purpose of that is so that the squad leader can determine, okay, we're aligned. LOA, we're aligned, right? Because if they don't say last man, these guys here, they might continue to keep going. First thing we do, oh no, not yet. We gotta assault through. So LOA, Alpha team leader says, Alpha team, pick up, assault through. So, this guy, Alpha team leader, controls the movement. If he's veering off, he's like, hey, you, scoot in this way. And then shake in together. Push, last man, last man, last man. Yeah. First thing we do now. Security. Squad leader, ready be. Team leader, squad leader, they should know full security, 360. Automatic if it's up. What's next? EPW search. Let me see I seen the Army and the Marines do it. The proper way to check for enemy, if they're facing down, some of you guys were doing it. You got to turn them over first. Make sure that there's no grenades, okay? Who wants to do a demonstration? No, who's down? Someone's gonna search. Communication is important. For security, which way are you gonna roll? Zuma, which way are you gonna turn? You gonna turn that way? Okay. Okay, two. Clear. Make sure that you stand off to the side, just because in the event there's a grenade, you're gonna be out of the fragmentation range, okay? You come over and you look to the side. Turn that way. Communication is important. Which way are you gonna roll?
Left.
This way?
Right side. Left.
Go ahead.
Right.
Which way?
Right.
Okay. So you gotta adjust. Jump. Clear. Clear.
Tanggo, smile.
Doon na tayo mag-report bago sa September 3.
You guys been in the air-conditioned room. I find this to be more fun, and I hope you guys do too.
Yes, sir.
I echoed this to some of the groups out there, and I'll echo it to the whole group now that what's really key and what's really important, and a lot of what you guys are doing out here is what communication. Not just communication, but communication with conviction. You're calling out a command. If you're doing something, you got to do it with confidence. Everybody around you has got to know that you're confident in telling them what to do. Because in a situation, in a real world situation, that could be someone's life, right? So whoever's in the leadership positions that take turns switching out, be confident in those commands that you call, right? Because that's very important. You don't want to be calling command that you're not sure of. Because if you're not sure of it, your team's not sure of it. And everything you do in this exercise should be deliberate, and with conviction. How many of us here are reservists? All, right? Pretty much everybody. So I heard this earlier in the Army group, and I wanted to echo it with everybody. It's not often that we get to do this, right? It's not often that we get to come out here and exercise battle drills and exercise some of the things that are inherent to being a soldier or being in the armed forces. So, because we don't get to come out here often, I implore you, or I encourage you. I see some of you have notebooks. If you think that 1 month from now you might not remember it, or if you don't practice this enough, you could forget it, take some notes down. What's required? What's a DD? What's the 3 Ds? What does the squad leader need? What are some of the commands? What are some of the formations? Take notes of those things so that, let's say in a month, somebody else from the U.S. Army comes out here or from the U.S. military to do a training with you. Some of this is stuff you guys already know. And if you have it in your notes, it's something that you can refer back to. Because the only way we're going to get perfect at this is with practice. But if we don't get to practice it often enough, it's going to be hard. But the least that we can do is have something to refer back to.
Ay, so,
Ang unang papel, yung akong papel, wala mo. Una yan tao. Huwag po na siya. Ako, ikaw, si Sarge, huwag kiyang kanyang tulog. Medic o graduman, huwag po na yung technician. Wala na bago. Pero kung ito si Sarge ka. Oh, si Carillo na. Ikaw to. Ang tanang papel ninyo dapat magalan doon. Oh, kung sa inyong papel ha. Saan ka Deo? Dito. Ikaw.
Because this guy's here,
Yeah.
you put this guy here. Opposite. It's too strong on this side, too strong. Yeah, separate here. This is what you guys are doing, right? It's better.
2 minutes.
This guy. It should be staggered. See, like that? Staggered. See, staggered? So that if contact here, this guy, he can shoot. Boom. If contact here, he cannot shoot. It's gonna shoot him. Boom. It's gonna shoot him. Sure. No problem.
Okay.
Goods na ta. Start, start.